Here's how to make your stats stand out by adding one of more than 40 charts to your project in Prezi Design. To add a chart to your design, from the toolbar on the left, click Add Chart. You can either browse through the list or search for a specific chart. Once you've picked a chart, add it by either clicking right on it or just drag and drop it onto the canvas. When the chart loads, simply click on it to move it anywhere in your design and resize it as needed. To add your own data, double-click on the chart or expand the Edit Data tab over here on the right. All charts have placeholders ready for you to edit. To add data, you can simply start typing it inside the cells, copy and paste your data, or if you have a document you'd like to use, just upload it. Prezi Design supports Excel and CSV files. If you have a database, click here to connect your chart to it and then easily source your data from there. Here's a tip. You can switch to a different chart anytime by clicking on the chart's thumbnail under Chart Type, and then just select the one that shows off your data even better. And that's how to make your data shine by adding a chart. Check out our other tutorials to learn more cool ways to use Prezi Design.